This man shows why this mysterious object is feared by the alligators. At first it's not very obvious why they were so scared of it. But now you know why. You see, the alligators we're familiar with are heavily armored from head to toe, making them seem slow and sluggish. But when they sense even the slightest vibration in the water, their sharp nostrils pick it up and they strike like lightning. Their nostrils might be their super sensitive secret weapon, but that also makes them a major weak point. Do you think you'd have what it takes to escape these guys? Let me know in the comments.